Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and fix the problem that you might be having with Odoo if you're missing the publish button on your forms. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Odoo website right here, odoo.com, if you have not already. So if you do not already have it opened up, go right there and it's going to open up this main page. From there in the upper right corner, we want to get started with logging in. So if you do not already have an account, all you can do is go ahead and create one. So after logging in, this is going to be the home page. From this home page, we can get started. In the upper left corner, we have the editor mode. From where we can access our configuration tab, site settings, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to fix the problem if your publish buttons are missing. So you can see right here in the official Odoo forums, we already have somebody who asked a similar question on unpublished and published buttons not showing in the product. And here we have somebody with more knowledge and who is the developer giving them answer to please check the module website sale if it is installed or not. And after installing, go to the product form and in the debug button, check the view field searching for is published, and you can go ahead and select the options right here. So here at the configuration tab, you have your apps from where you can get started with installing these modules. But what I suggest for you to do is go to the official Odoo forum right here and search for similar threads such as this one. Then you can go ahead and follow the steps to the solution one by one and apply them directly to your website from somebody who is more knowledgeable or the developer at the website. They can go ahead and help you out in greater detail, and this is your best choice. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.